Hi gorgeous girls, happy Halloween. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekend vlog. Adam and I are actually getting ready to head out to go to a little Halloween party tonight. We're just gonna hang out with some friends, eat dinner, have some snacks, play some games. But I just did a really simple last minute Halloween costume and dressed up as a witch. Just have this little black skirt from Princess Polly, bodysuit is from Amazon, and then I'm doing my knee-high boot. I also am bringing this bag that I thrifted, which I think looks really cute with my outfit. That's what we're doing right now. We're putting our candy out for the trick-or-treaters. We're just gonna leave it out. I feel like it's weird because Halloween's on a Friday this year. Like, I feel like no one's gonna be home because everyone's gonna go do stuff. OOTN, and I'm really excited to go hang out with my friends.
Good enough.
Adam, that's so cute.
Whatever. Hopefully they just take two, or if they don't, I don't care.
It's fine. Last year we had so much leftover candy that Adam and I got sick.
Gorged.
Yeah.
Really gorged.
I love Halloween candy. So.
I already had a few.
Me too. All right, well, we're headed out. Happy Saturday. As you probably saw, I made a coffee, made my greens, had some breakfast. I'm just chilling now, I don't really know what I'm gonna get up to today. Definitely gonna be making dinner later today. My summer and fall wardrobe, I'm thinking today. I have some packages to open, so I thought we could order something from Fishwife, which, sorry, the dogs are playing right now. Millie was just taking a nap on my lap and now she's playing. But I've had Fishwife before and it's so good. They're just tinned fish if you have never seen them. But I decided to treat myself and get like the variety box. So, I don't know. I just wanted this for like snack plates because honestly it's like delicious. First of all, it's delicious, but like good protein. So we have, and their packaging is so beautiful. This is sardines with preserved lemon, and we have tuna with Spanish lemon. This is the one that I've had before. It's so freaking good. Smoked salmon with Sichuan chili crisp. This one is really good. I mixed it with mayo and did like a salmon bowl. Some smoked rainbow trout, some mackerel in Spanish olive oil, sardines with hot peppers. I really love it on a snack plate or like mixed with some rice. It's so good. It says Gilda Martini. I don't know what that is. Maybe I should try making one. So they sell, I didn't know they sold this at Costco and also at Wegmans. But I just ordered this pack off of Amazon like I mentioned. This was kind of impulsive. I normally would not show you guys, but I'm gonna start showing you guys more behind the scenes over here, I feel like. Okay. Cute little brand on Instagram. It's called Miss Circle. But I found this really beautiful dress for the holidays, but it's just like this little mini blazer dress. So we'll have to try this on and see how it looks. I got a size extra large. I found this other dress that I really wanted from Hill House Home. If you know, you know. Their stuff is so cute. But tell me why, like, all their stuff is just always sold out in like every size. What are you doing? Silly. They're silly. I don't know what it is. Like I guess they probably just do smaller drops, but their stuff is always sold out. Okay. This advent calendar. Should I do an unboxing? Oh my god, it's heavy. Y'all don't even know, like, I just need to say, 24 mystery must-haves advent calendar. Guys, MAC was the first high-end makeup product I ever bought, okay? For reference, I was like super into beauty gurus, and in like middle school, first time in the 7th grade, mind you, I like lived in a very small town. They did not sell MAC makeup anywhere there. Obviously, we weren't ordering stuff online, but I saved up all my money to buy a MAC plum eyeliner and a pot eyeshadow in the shade Retrospect. I'll never forget the shade Retrospect. And it was the most exciting purchase of my life. I was like, I'm finally like the other beauty gurus. And then I remember from there on, I slowly collected MAC makeup specifically. And I feel like if you were like on YouTube at that time, you know, like literally all the girlies were using MAC makeup. It was the It Girl makeup. And I remember I went to like this, there's like that cosmetic, makeup outlet, and I remember I got another eyeshadow, and I ended up getting like an eyeshadow and one of their pot eyeshadows and like a lipstick, and I was just like growing my MAC collection. I learned how to like depot the eyeshadows and put them in like a magnetic eyeshadow palette to like make my own palette. And it was just like the most fun, like exciting. I'm sorry, my dogs are playing. Whatever. It's just like it's like literally how I got into makeup and like into doing what I do now, which is content creation. And the fact that like now I get PR from MAC, I feel like I don't give it enough like full circleness. Like I don't give it enough credit, like when you slow down to like realize like where you really came from and like how much this actually would mean to like childhood me. It's actually so crazy. Espresso. But I got new coffee beans. You guys know I love the Blue Bottle, which I actually watched a really old vlog of mine that I made like, this had to be 3 Thanksgivings ago. And I literally in that vlog, I was like, Adam and I love Blue Apron coffee. We get it at Target.
Blue Bottle, you mean? Or
Blue Bottle, yeah. I said Blue Apron by accident. But I'm trying this counterculture. This is what Adam gets in decaf. Right?
Yeah, I get the decaf one.
But this is the Apollo roast. It's citrus, floral, and silky, so it should be like a good light roast. It smells really good. So we're gonna try this out. I'll let you guys know my thoughts. I will say that one is a little bit cheaper. I think that the Blue Bottle is like
it's a little pricey.
$16 or $17. This one was like $13, so I don't know. A little advent calendar unboxing. See what's in there.
I saw we had some advent calendars on there. I don't know what it was for though.
Yeah, so I got us a really fun one to do, but I thought we could wait till.
Look at that. That's actually really good. Do you see the like the little white parts? That's good.
Smells.
That's a very light roast.
So good. Actually, no, I did show you guys how I unbox it here, but do you know Bon Maman, the really good jam? It's literally the jam that we have in the fridge.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, they come out with an advent calendar every year with little tiny mini jams.
That's fun.
Like, remember the jams you got in Vermont? How you really liked those and you were very...
Yeah, obsessed with them.
Yeah. So there's 25 different ones, but their advent calendar sells out every year, like, instantly. So I bought it back in September.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So I bought us one, and so I figured during the month of December, because you have to start it like December 1st, we could try one every day.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Or every few days. But that's what that one is.
Yeah, that's fun.
Trying the counterculture beans. This is just a plain latte.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good. Pretty similar to the Blue Apron. Do you taste floral or citrus or silk?
I taste floral,
yeah,
for sure. I don't really know that there's much citrus coming through, but that could also just be maybe the water, whatever. There's a million different reasons. Like, it might come out more. I feel like if you're trying to, like, taste coffee, you should do it in a pour-over.
Silky, sweet, and bright. I like it, though. I mean, it's very good. Pumpkin muffins yesterday for the Halloween party. I don't know if I said, but Gia and Arlene are gluten-free, so have one of these, I think. They're very good and moist. I'm probably gonna post a recipe, I think, on TikTok. But I'm gonna do some makeup. Film. But I'm not 100% sure what yet. Okay, gorgeous girls. I have just been trying to organize my closet. I've been putting my summer stuff away, getting my fall stuff out, going through everything, making piles of donate, sell, etc. And also, I found the cranberry fizz poppy yesterday, so I'm gonna enjoy one of these because I have to go fold my clean laundry. So I think I'm gonna go upstairs. I gotta grab some garbage bags. Sorry, girl. A little bit later, and oops, I'm making dinner. I'm making some broccoli cheddar bites and baked chicken tenders. My room and all my clothes are put away, which is really, really nice. I feel a lot better. I honestly had like pretty bad anxiety today. I don't know, just a lot going through my head, but I'm doing a bit better. I feel like cooking always makes me feel better as well. And I don't know. I'm trying not to feel like I was unproductive today, but I kind of feel like I was unproductive today. So currently my chicken's marinating in some Greek yogurt and hot sauce, and then we're gonna bread that, and then I'm just about to chop up the broccoli for the broccoli cheddar bite. broccoli cheddar bites are done. They're so good. The chicken's still cooking. I'm not gonna show you because I feel like I keep opening the oven and then they're not getting crispier, so. When everything's done.
Gamer dent.
Oh.
I look insane. I look like an actual 10-year-old child.
Here's dinner. Looks really, really good.
Magnifique. You made a blue cheese version of this, right?
Yeah, I usually make blue cheese, but I forgot to get it. Hello, gorgeous girls. It's a little bit later. I'm just doing a little Sunday reset cleaning video for TikTok. If you see, whoa, my phone right there, I can't point to it. So that's what we're up to right now. I'm just getting some clips for you as well. Okay, gorgeous girls. It's about 3:30, and also it was daylight savings started or ended, I can't remember. So it's gonna get dark at 5 o'clock today. So Adam and I are gonna try to go get a little walk in before it gets dark out. That's what we're headed out to now. I finished cleaning and editing that video, and it literally took me so freaking long. It took me so long to edit it. Like a good 2 hours at least, and it was an hour of footage. So that just took up a lot of my day. But yeah, we're gonna go on a walk and then we'll probably come back and just chill out because probably we're gonna get back before 5 p.m. So weird for it to be like getting into the winter months almost. I mean, it is November now. Okay, gorgeous girls, I am gonna end the vlog out here. It's like 9 o'clock and I'm gonna go to bed super early. Adam and I ate dinner literally at like 4:30 tonight. We just had some leftovers from yesterday and I'm just so ready for bed. I don't know if I mentioned this. I think I mentioned this in the last vlog, but I'm not gonna be doing a weekly vlog, unfortunately, this coming week. I just have some stuff going on, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a daily vlog because I have some time off of work. So maybe I'll do like a day in my life on PTO. I don't know. You guys let me know what you want to see. I'll still post something on Friday. I just don't know what it will be yet. I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. I love you so much, my gorgeous girls.